Hello, and thank you for your attendance and attention. Today, we'd like to talk to you about ductwall, a sustainable solution to two issues facing Houston: plastic waste and stormwater. Climate change is real and affecting us now. Due to the associated weather trends, we can expect more intense and more frequent storms and consequently flooding. This problem is exacerbated by rapid urbanization and the infrastructure built to support it, such as more roads and more impermeable surfaces. Increased waste is also an immediate problem for the city. 12 of 14 of the landfills in Harris County will be near or at capacity in less than 30 years. A large component of that waste is plastic. In the US, we divert roughly $100 million of plastic into landfills yearly. But what if we could keep that value within our city and use it to address other issues? With Ductwalk, we can. Ductwalk's vision is to divert the plastic waste streams and improve the circular materials economy in Houston. We will achieve that by using 100% recycled plastic to design rugged drain guards and water collection systems for city drains and construction sites. This is an intersectional solution, both sustainable and circular. Our permeable paver systems address flooding. Also, by reusing plastic material to address plastic waste, we limit the amount diverted to landfills. Finally, 3D printing as a manufacturing capability allows involvement of local communities who are building economies with skilled jobs. This solution augments and ties directly into the city's strategic plan for climate action, addressing Goal 1 specifically. So what exactly is the ductwalk system? The ductwalk system is sizable kits composed of three main features: the top-level permeable paver, which is rollable and rigid, the underlaying water collection reservoir, and a collection of pathways from that reservoir to the city's water systems. So how and where can the ductwalk system be incorporated into Houston? This can be used in community areas, residential areas, sidewalks, playgrounds, driveways, porches, and even construction sites. The following is a case study where ductwalk could be incorporated. There are currently 115,000 storm drains across the city. During storm events, trash and debris clog these. Another case study is the Gulfton neighborhood, one of our complete communities. Using permeable pavers as a sidewalk creates elevated, sustainable, durable surfaces which direct water flow away from pedestrian areas and reduce erosion while also maintaining walkability. Finally, this is an opportunity to act proactively in regards to stormwater management. So with all of that, here is our business model canvas, beginning with our value proposition. Ductwalk plans to support the City Climate Action Plan through extracting value from plastic waste and using it to create a low-cost, sustainable solution to flooding effects. In order for this solution to be successful, Ductwalk would need partnerships with waste generators, waste processors, construction firms, and civic organizations. These firms would help Ductwalk to compete activities to our business, such as the acquisition of plastic waste and the design, construction, and maintenance of ductwalk systems. Ductwalk would interact with their customers, partners, and networks through website, sales team, and mobile applications such as virtual reality for design purposes. The company would earn revenue through both B2B and B2G frameworks, with sales of the systems to resellers and municipalities, for example. Our cost model would be value-driven and based on the cost of materials as well as the cost of labor. So what is the ductwalk competitive advantage? It's its team and its technology, where environmental, economic, and social benefits for everyone. We've outlined our business model more specifically here, including the value proposition and demand generation. In order for our solution to be successful, there are several validation steps that must take place, including specification and working with our partners to determine the correct fit and to design for maintenance and ultimate destruction and circulation back into our economy. As shown here, we've outlined a high-level marketing strategy for the solution. But our most important asset is the DuckWalk team with its diverse skill set, diverse industry experience, which culminated in a creative and thoughtful solution.